You will never forget this. This is a bottle of water. I'm going to pour this out into this glass. So the act of pouring myself out automatically made me a father. Whatever is in this bottle is in this glass. So in the Hebrew language, this would be called Abba. So this is called the source. This is called the resource. So you are God's resource. He is your source. The Jehovah's Witnesses have a problem with you Christian people. They say Jesus cannot be God because he calls God Father, which means he must be less than God. What Christ was saying was this. He was saying, look, Jehovah is my source. So when they asked Jesus, show us the bottle, he said, what are you talking about? He that has seen the glass